Let's get you gaming on Taptap, even if you're across the pond from the UK. This tutorial will guide you to seamlessly register, bypassing region lock errors and unlocking the world of mobile gaming. Begin by launching the Taptap app on your phone. If you haven't already, download it from your App Store. Tap on the register or sign up option to begin creating your account. Choose your preferred registration method, email or phone number. Enter your valid UK phone number or email address in the appropriate field. Create a strong password and input the verification code sent to your registered email or phone. This authenticates your identity. After verification, your account is almost ready. Provide necessary personal information to set up your user profile. Customize your profile by adding a username and a profile picture, then explore the settings section. Go to Account or Region Settings. In the Taptap settings, select your region. If there is no region settings available, you should be able to proceed with the gameplay. You should now be successfully registered on Taptap. Explore the diverse world of mobile gaming and enjoy. Happy gaming, and welcome to the Taptap community.